Hello viewers, in this video we will learn header, footer and page number. Okay, so first of all, before going further we should know what is header, what is footer and what is page number. So on the top of the document, what is there? This is the top margin. Is it not? This is the top margin. Okay. And which is the bottom margin at the bottom of the page? Whatever the space is there, this is what the footer. Okay. This is what the header. This is the footer. Okay. For this page, this is the header and this is the footer. Okay. So whenever you want to give header or footer, what will happen? So whatever you type text there, it will be repeated on every page of the document. Okay. So if you want to add header and footer, what you have to do, either you double click in this header area, see header. Okay, if you double click here, you see our document text has been dim. This means it is showing the difference that you are working in the header area. Okay, if you double click here, now you came back, you closed the header and footer, right? Okay, so either you can double click here or you can go to insert tab, header. Okay, and click here what? Edit header. Now the cursor is inserted in the header. Here you see center tab is there and here right tab is there. So whatever here, what I want to do, I want to enter my company name. So I will type my name. Okay. So here Ramakrishna Brahmadandi. I am typing my name. Now this thing I want to enter in the header. Now I want to format it. I will select it bold. I want to change the color, and if you want you can change the font also. Okay, so in this way you can change it. If you want you can increase the size also, right? So this thing I want in header, and at the same time I want to draw a line. You can go to insert tab, shapes. Already we learned, click the line shape and hold down the shift key while you drag the line, while you draw the line, otherwise it will go cross. Next you can change the thickness of the line, and if you want you can change the color of the line also. Done. Now this thing I want in the header area. Next I want to go to footer area. How should I go? Just go to click this header and footer tab and click what? Go to footer, or else you can press down arrow also. Okay, either you can click go to footer or you can press down arrow key on the keyboard. Here what I want the page number here. So what I will do, I will simply press the tab key. So whenever you press the tab key, you will be on the under the tab stop. If you again press the tab key, you will become under this tab stop. Here I want the page number. Then what I will do, I will go to either header and footer tab, or else on insert tab I will go to page number. Okay, your wish. So it will be convenient. Okay, so where I want, wherever the cursor is there, I want there. That's why what I will do, I will click current position and I will click this number. You see I am on the second page, that's why it is showing as second 2. If you go top, if you go to the first page, it is showing 1. Okay, and on the third page it is showing 3. So in this way, whatever the number of pages are there, it will show us the same thing. Is it clear? Okay, that's what about. In case if you don't want, now you see here, what is the text we entered in the header, it is showing dark and our document text is showing light. If you close the header and footer, this text will be dark and it will be dim. You see how to close the header and footer? Either you can simply press the escape key on the keyboard, or you can click close header and footer button, or click in the document, means double click in the document. You see it is showing dim and it is dark. When you go to footer, it is also showing dim. Okay, this means these are the header and footer. It is making the differentiation. Got it? So this is what about that. In case, see, when you scroll down, you see on every page you will find that on header and footer, you will find the same thing. The page number is automatically changing. Okay, you do remember, if you type any number manually, the same number will be appeared on every page. You see, I will show you an example. Double click in the header area, After my name, I'm pressing the tab key, the cursor is here, I'm typing what? 1. Okay, so its font I want to change. Yes, here you see 1 is there. No, when you scroll down on the next page also it is showing 1 only. Why? Because it is typed. Yes or no? So you should never type, you should use the command. All right, in this way. So let us delete it. Double click here. Okay, so in case if you want to remove the header, what will you do? Okay, just go to insert tab, go to header and footer group, here header, remove header, that's all. In the same way, if you click footer, remove footer, it will be go off. But here in the footer, what we gave the page number. Got it? It disappeared or not? In this way, what can we do? We can insert header and footer. I hope you learnt how to use header and footer. And on the other hand, you see on which page we are. This is what the first page. No. Suppose on first page you don't want the header and footer. Then what will you do? Just double click in the header area or the footer area and go to header and footer. Here you see different first page. This checkbox is ticked. That's why if I remove it, so first page is what? This one. Here what it is showing, the 0. If you make it different first page means what? Here 0 is disappeared. So from second page it is showing the number. All right. Okay. Double click here. That's all. So see you in the next video. Till then, please practice.